Here's how to do a nollie back finger impossible on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. The first thing is you want to put your index finger at the center of the nose. It's kind of a similar placement to a regular nollie, but you can also place it near the edge of the nose or in the pocket of the nose, but it's still up to you where you feel most comfortable placing your index finger on the nose. And for the middle finger, you want to place it just below the bolts hanging off the edge. And this is my placement for a nollie back finger impossible. Now you get the finger position down, let's move on to the next step. Alright, so for this trick, you want to put more pressure to your index finger and then pop the nose down really hard. You want to make sure that you're giving all the weight or put more pressure to your index finger just to get a good snap, and you want your board to leveling out as you're popping. So after you pop the nose on the ground, you want to wrap it up with your middle finger on the edge of the board that allows you to perform into a vertical spin, just like you would for a regular impossible. It's very important to make sure you level out the board in the air so your middle finger can wrap around it, because the goal here is that your middle finger is staying with the board the entire time. So right after you wrap around with your middle finger on the board, let it spin vertically first, then when the board finishes spinning in the air, catch it with your both fingers, land it, and roll away clean. Alright, so remember, let's take a little recap. The first step is the pop or snapping the nose down. Then the second step is the leveling out of the board, and then the last step is to wrap it up with your middle finger, land it, and roll away. It's all about that perfect timing. And now for the trick tip, if you want to add more style and make the trick look realistic to your impossible, is try to practice doing like a tiger claw by wrapping your middle finger just like in this video right now. Can you see it? All you have to do is try to practice this motion like a tiger claw, which allows you to wrap your board into sideways to make your impossible looks both realistic and cool looking trick at the same time. So take your time with it, don't rush the process, you'll get them eventually if you just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. It's all about progression. Well, there you have it. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, taught that too. Itachi Han. You're welcome.